Okay, this is a website I made for a Jewish cemetery called Zion Memorial Park in Bedford Heights, Ohio. Uh, First, we're at the home page. This just gives an overview of the cemetery and the different synagogues, congregations, and organizations that are represented there. And we have a couple pictures here. The first one is an entrance to the cemetery, and the second one is a Holocaust memorial that was built years ago. It actually has a quote, you'll notice, if you can notice, on the left side from General Dwight D. Eisenhower about ordering his photographers to take pictures of everything in case people would doubt that the Holocaust ever happened years later. So, we'll just go to some links here next. This is a contact page. It just has a telephone number for calling the main office. Next, we have a map page. This just shows how to get to the cemetery. And then we have a mission statement. This just talks about uh, their uh, mission and how they reduce burial costs and so on and so forth. And next we have a products page. This just gives an overview of the different products they sell. And over here we have a services page. This just talks about the services they offer. And lastly, we have a product photos page. This has pictures of the different products they sell at the cemetery. Here's a burial vault along with prices, and they compare prices to what they normally cost elsewhere. And then we have a stone frame that goes with each grave. You could fill it with white rocks or sedum plantings. And then we have prices for single headstones and double headstones. And then down here, here's some caskets that they sell. These Each of these pictures comes with some descriptive information about what kind of gloss they're made with, they're finished with. I mean, uh, things like adjustable bed and mattress, locking mechanism, width, length, height, dimensions, weight, so on and so forth. These are some pretty nice looking caskets, and you'll notice they're all made of wood because Jewish law requires a deceased person to be buried in a natural container versus aluminum or steel, because the idea is you'll be returned to the earth in a natural container.